Good morning, team. Hello.
Morning, sir.
Is that audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. This is a project proposal that we have given to the Northumbria Council. Okay, so like a research competition kind of thing, and we submitted this proposal to Northumbria Council. Okay, in England, right? So, we explain clearly like different types of details. I'm sorry. Different type of details, and actually the original presentation, so we added some extra information to make you understand what kind of reflections we need to write on it. Like this is the project that we will be doing in next 3 months. Okay, maybe once we get approval, maybe we fix it in 10 to 15 days. So this is a small project, like we R&D look a small part. So ikkada manaki different types of details were given in the project. Like see whatever the task that were asked. Okay, so we asked some kind of questions, right? Like this is the reflection report we have to write. So based on this, why I get these notifications? Okay, based on this topic ni base cheskoni, we are supposed to address the requirements that are provided here. Okay, so indulo enti ante some of the important skills of yours. Okay, so me profile based skills already we wrote different CPD analysis, right? So some of the important areas already covered by you that were not asked in this document. What we want is like I want you to just write the things that are not in bolded form. Okay, so for example, if it is asked for description of the project, you can give a description. Description of a general game, it is already explained to you people. So we write some generic information about the need for parking slot and the disturbances created. So when society the number of people, density of people increase, so needs like infrastructure needs of the community. For example, if you have gated community a gated community like when we have 100 houses there is some roads so better density of population needs of population will increase. It will like infrastructure needs to increase under the parking one type of infrastructure need. So parking space provide it is very important to a council. Like council and like India, Vanasaripuram area, Dulshnar area, independent different counties you can. So each county a council ఉంటుంది. The council will be handling all the GHMC a council it will be handling everything. Okay, so we are proposing smart parking slot management system. That is so much detailing you can see in presentation. Okay, so adi manam propose now because we explain like need why generic information related to your topic. The parking slot need in the question. So when we start speaking about when density of population increases, people increase the council, like whatever the area in which the people are living, like infrastructure requirement needs increase also. One of the important need, parking need, and we start describing the project and we explain the purpose of the project. First, the general introduction, the purpose of the project. Then we write what is planned in this project. Okay, some basic information. You just frame it is a 500 document, and if it got 6 points equally distributed. So, for example, aim and objectives, it requires very less information. You can distribute it. So it was asked here 500 words. So requirement based address. Okay. So the outcomes achieved document last conclusion or financial analysis section you will understand. Next, what kind of research methods applied? So you can see this like in this document we got research methods section. So where we explained about case study and literature review and it going to explain something. So maybe this is sorry for inconvenience. Google call just sorry. So research method section ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఇచ్చారు what is mentioned అనేది just write it in your own, understand and write it in your own books. So that is next one. Next team role, already we addressed it, importance of team role and ఒక టీమ్ లో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా ఉంటుంది అవన్నీ దానికి సంబంధించిన డీటెయిల్స్ we already wrote. Next ఇక్కడ టార్గెట్ ఆడియన్స్, రిసెర్చ్ మెథడాలజీ చెక్ చేసాం. టార్గెట్ ఆడియన్స్ you should frame it like, so who is your target audience here? ఇక్కడ నార్త్ ఇండియా కౌన్సిల్ is your target audience. Okay, and మనం proposal if you want to make it like public లో మనం present చేస్తాం అనుకోండి, who need it? The people who live in North India Council, okay, who have vehicles and who will be using parking lots. అక్కడ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయంటే మనకి రోడ్ పక్కన యూజువల్ గా అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ సీ మూవీస్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఇట్. సో యూజువల్ గా ఏంటంటే మన రోడ్ ని కమ్యూనికేషన్ కోసం యూజ్ చేసే రోడ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా స్పేసెస్ ఫర్ ద పార్కింగ్. The way like some gated communities you can see it, road ki outside we can park vehicles and what annetiki marks is unte, they all are parking lots. In addition to that, manaki if you go to like some kind of shopping malls akkada kuda entante internal ga they will be having some parking slots anamata. Aa slots ni use cheskune vallu evaru ante who will be using this application anedi mana target audience. Okay, first main target audience is like North India Council people. Next, people who might be using the application. Application uses usually the people who own car and who lives in North India Council. Very simple. So these sections we addressed in the last CPT analysis. So maybe it is not required. So this is a cross check just one because this is related to the sensors. But I suggest you to write this one also. Some important points related to it. Like the sensor evaluation challenge, and maybe we might be understanding some kind of products like different sensors that are mentioned in the PPT. You mentioned yes, దీనికి సంబంధించిన కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ మనకు అవసరం వస్తుంది. సో వీటికి సంబంధించిన కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మన ఏంటి ఒక పార్కింగ్ స్లాట్ స్పేస్ ఎంటీ ఉంది అనుకోండి, హౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారంటే వాడు మ్యాగ్నెటోమీటర్ వాడుతున్నారు. మ్యాగ్నెటోమీటర్ వాడినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే దిస్ మ్యాగ్నెటోమీటర్ విల్ బి డిటెక్టింగ్ whether vehicle is parked in that lot or not. ఇది మనకి సెన్సింగ్ నుంచి మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తుంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రతి స్పేస్ కి ఒక మ్యాగ్నెటోమీటర్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఇట్ ఐడెంటిఫైస్ వెదర్ వెహికల్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద పార్కింగ్ లాట్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఓకే, సో స్మాల్ థింగ్ మ్యాగ్నెటోమీటర్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ చీప్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ దానికి ఫీచర్స్ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు మనకి. You just cross check and like just for you should understand what kind of sensor we can use to detect whether parking lot is empty or free. దానికి సంబంధించిన కొంచెం బేసిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. It's not literature review, so references have అవసరం లేదు. Just you should understand like new skills ఏం కావాలంటే మనకి we should understand like ability, increasing abilities to evaluate different type of sensors that are available in the market. They evaluate చేయడానికి maybe financial evaluation చేయవచ్చు, అంటే each product ఎంత కాస్ట్ అవుతుంది, which is best to use. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హోల్ కౌన్సిల్ లో ఒక 3 lakh 4 lakh పార్కింగ్ స్లాట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, we need to purchase 3 lakh 4 lakh magnetometers. Okay, so it will be cost effective, right? So we are supposed to cross check what type of sensors are better for it, like we decided already. So magnetometers are very cheap, and so you should speak about project finish here. We should understand different types of sensors, how they function, what kind of costs they involve, ala konni important. So next, overview of key stages of the project. The project the key stages. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్లాన్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటారు, డెలివరబుల్స్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటారు. డెలివరబుల్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని యూ క్రియేట్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేజెస్. యూజువల్గా మీరు ఆల్రెడీ పీపుల్ నో అబౌట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. సో ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ లో ఫస్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనాలిసిస్ ఫేజ్, నెక్స్ట్ డిజైన్ ఫేజ్, ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ ఫేజ్. కొంచెం మనం వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ప్రపోజల్ కాబట్టి ఫినాన్షియల్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ ఒకటి కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇనిషియల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనాలిసిస్ లోనే so financial feasibility, social feasibility, technical feasibility, when it discusses the initial stage requirement analysis. Next we propose, we procure material, we implement it, we test it. This will be the some of the important key stages of your project. So we speak about performing requirement analysis. Then first performing feasibility study, next performing requirement analysis, next second stage, third stage design and development of the model, fourth stage testing the model, fifth stage evaluation of the model, and publishing results. So these are some 5 stages, 5 important stages that we are supposed to follow. So next engagement with the industrial simulations. లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మనం తీసుకున్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏదైతే ప్రాజెక్ట్ మనం తీసుకున్నాం దాన్ని మనం సిమ్యులేట్ చేయడానికి ఆర్ లైక్ ఎంగేజింగ్ విత్ ఎనీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ యూ కెన్ సజెస్ట్ లైక్ మేబీ నియర్ బై ఒక మాల్ తీసుకొని వీ కెన్ టెస్ట్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్ ఓకే కీపింగ్ ఆల్ పార్కింగ్ లాట్స్ అండ్ క్రియేటింగ్ యాప్ టు కంట్రోల్ ఇట్. ఏంటి అంటే మనం పార్కింగ్ లాట్ ఒక నియర్ బై ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కూడా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, స్మాల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ పార్కింగ్ లాట్ లో ఎన్ని స్పేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి దాన్ని మెయింటైన్ చేసి వీ కెన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ సిమ్యులేషన్. సో we will be engaging with some industrial simulation process to complete this one. So these sections we should cover in this research methodology section. Same like each section ki equal or something divide this 1500 words and you can write. Okay, in the you are supposed to write 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. So 8 sections, if we divide it into maybe 200 words each, it will be 1600 approximately. So what we do, we write 200 words for each section. Like koni sections research methodology section, we can write more about it. So then basis we will be deciding target audience. We will be creating personas anamata. Each person evaru tanu etla etvanti customer tanu enduku select chestunam atla we will be explaining it. So koncham 200 words is okay, fine. So ikkada 4 stages or 5 stages. Each stage ku 50 words you write, it will become 200-300 words. Engagement with industrial simulation, we explain how we are going to engage with industrial simulation, what we are going to do, how we are going to test, all these details. Okay, so 4 sections for 800 words we will be writing. Next, conclusion lo we will be deciding skills learned or skills we are going to learn. So as a part of completion of this project, what kind of skills we learn? Maybe like we say like project management skills, system design and requirement analysis skills. There are some kind of skills already we wrote this, like learning objectives that is sambandhinchi manam create chestunam. So already you wrote it, so need not to address that one. It is already done. Next one is impact of COVID present situation. Inta impact chesindi. So you just explain like COVID valla enti ante some kind of meetings cancel అయిపోయింది, some kind of discussions cancel అయిపోయినాయి. So application of new technology like online meetings ఇవన్నీ కూడా కొంచెం ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాయి ఇనిషియల్ డేస్ లో. సో ఓవరాల్ గా వీటి వల్ల మనకి ప్రాజెక్ట్ కొంచెం డిలేస్ అయినాయి. మేబీ యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ యువర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్, ఒక 10 days or 15 days it got delayed, and that we can explain. Okay, so what we'll be doing next, so explore some theory and your advancement in the project. So ఏదైనా ఒక ఇక్కడ you will be writing 100 words of some kind of proper literature review that explains about importance of deploying smart systems in parking management. దానికి సంబంధించిన ఒక ఆర్టికల్ తీసుకొని just write ఒక 2 articles, 2 references, that is enough. Okay, plan engagement with the client to support their needs. So what kind of plans we do? So maybe like we engage review meetings, we engage progress meetings, there are different types of proposal explanation meetings. We need 3-4 types of meetings మనం conduct చేస్తాం. So you need to identify, you are supposed to identify what kind of plans we create while presenting our proposal to the target client. That should be explained. Maybe so individual ga evardi vallu search cheyandi, research chesi try to find at least 3 concepts, 3 different aspects that will help us. So andaru ever independent ga vallu cheyandi. So this suggests us some kind of proper approach that we can reach client. Okay, so దానికి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనకి దొరుకుతుంది అన్నమాట. సో దాని తర్వాత SWOT analysis on the project, like you can perform what are the strengths of the proposed innovation work and what are opportunities, threats, weaknesses. A small explanation about it. Okay, దీనికి ఇదొక సెక్షన్ కి 200 words తీసుకొని మిగతాన్ని you can make it 100. Okay, you got total 3 sections I guess, 3-4 sections. And దీనికి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ డేటా ఇవ్వండి. సో SWOT analysis maybe ఒక 200 words, 50 words explanation on what are the strengths, maybe okay 2-3 points, weaknesses 2-3 points, opportunities okay 2 points, threats okay 2 points, in that way. Okay, so this is all your document. It is a simple one. Okay, so just start చేస్తే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది అదంతా ఎట్లా, how to fix it అనేది. That is from my side. Any questions from your side? You can unmute and ask me if you have any questions. This is how we should follow steps by reviewing your PPT, and you should address your document. Okay. Any questions? Morning on it. Any questions? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Shruti, no.
No, sir.
చెప్పండి.
Sir, we have to write introduction in the place of client and specific requirements.
This one? No, like you in your document it is clearly mentioned like what kind of requirements. And see, Northumbria client he got a parking issue. Okay, so this is the case study. Okay, so in case study also we write some kind of requirements. The case study and the council wants to test the implementation of cost-effective and efficient smart parking systems. Okay, this is the requirement. So a requirement, if we break it into a couple of requirements, like the organization wants it. So the council wants a smart parking system, number one. Okay, the park it wants a efficient smart like a high performing smart parking system, and the cost that is associated with the smart parking system should be optimal. So these are some kind of basic requirements. Maybe danto paatu it will be like features ఉంటాయి కొన్ని ఇక్కడ, like if you read it. ఇది ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే నేను when I told them to fix it కొంచెం ముందుకు వెనక్కి వేసాను. సో దీస్ ఆర్ సమ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అనుకోండి. లిఖిత ఇక్కడ like see these are requirements. ఏం చేస్తుంది? స్మార్ట్ పార్కింగ్ సెన్సార్స్ టెక్నాలజీ అసిస్టెడ్ డ్రైవర్ టు లొకేట్. సో దీన్ని మనం షుడ్ లొకేట్ అట్లా రాస్తాం. సారీ. So the application should identify on-street parking, support on-street parking, disabled parking, paid parking slots. Okay, the application should suggest or recommend slots available to the users. It should provide even the requirements, basic application requirements. Explain just now. So organization council aim expect chestundane. These are some of the technical requirements. So functional requirements. This is broader requirement. This is functional requirements. Anyhow, good question. See, ila adite meeku nenu emana explain cheyachu, mere markapothe mane cheptanu. So clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Next one. Any questions? Shruti, no questions? Vaishnavi, Rani, Klaus?
No, sir. No
No,
questions,
sir.
sir. If any questions, we'll call you, sir.
Okay, see, నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, if I am not available in, see, hangouts లో ఉన్నారనుకోండి, మీరు ఉన్నారనుకోండి, so when I ping you something, మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అయితే మీరు చూసారని అర్థం. మీరు చూసి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, I will not get acknowledgement. ఒకవేళ మీరు నాకు ఏమైనా పింగ్ చేశారనుకోండి, if I am not responding to you, it means that I didn't check it. అప్పుడు మీరు you can call me. Understood? Okay, you people are free to call me at any time. Night 9:30 and 12:31 daaka unta. If you are working till that time, anytime you can call me, not a problem. Okay, so it is very important that when you got some kind of question, it should be asked and cleared. Okay, manam em adugudamle ani rasesam anukondi, it will be impacting quality of your work. Okay, so adi vishayam. So when you got like paraledu ippudu adukkapoyina paraledu, when you start writing the document, you will get some kind of questions. So when you get a question, so ping cheyandi sir, నేను ping చేస్తే like anta pedda explanation మనం ping లో ఇవ్వలేము కాబట్టి it is better you call me. Okay, so that is how it happens. So if I am not available, I will tell you like okay 10 minutes I will call you back in that way. Got it? So this is your work. I need 1800 to 2000 word report. Because ఈ సెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కవర్ చేయడానికి అంత కూడా అవుతుందో లేదో నాకు I don't know. So I need maximum 15 to 2000 words between. I want you to finish your document, and it is important that you cover all sections. Okay, so ante ippudu bold chesine kakunda meeta sections anni cover cheyadaniki try cheyandi. All right, so that is from my side. All right, so all the best. Any questions on that? All right.
No, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice day. Bye.